Hi, this is Regis Sauter. I'm the old man, and I wanted to take some time here and take your time and let you know about our program that we have that helps everyone. Now, whether you have credit that's marginal or you have good credit, it doesn't make any difference. I put together a program called How to Raise Your Credit Scores. Incidentally, it's all included in this our whole program of how to pay off your mortgage in 12 years or less. Anyway, How to Raise Your Credit Scores is a collection of thoughts, articles that I've written, and if you Google me, you'll see that I've been helping people for over 25 years. So I have a little better understanding of what works and what doesn't work, and a lot of the hogwash that's out there. Now, I developed this program because in today's real economy, so many people, they don't know how to raise their credit score. Now, you can have a credit score of 650 and think it's decent, but because of the mortgage situation and the banking situation and our economy, the banks have raised the bar. You know, you used to be able to buy something with a 650 credit score. Well, the banks have raised the bar now. You can't get a loan unless you have at least a 720 credit score. And people are driving their cars and they're in Starbucks, they're all over talking about their credit scores, but nobody has come up with a way on how to raise them. So we put together this, it's an 8-hour at-home study course. There's a workbook, you get a workbook that I wrote, and that's mailed to you. It's a hard copy workbook. Well, it's perfect bound is what it is. But it has everything in there about how to raise your credit scores, from negotiating debt when you don't have money, recognizing when your balances on your credit cards are high. And I'll give you one example. You know, if I'm all over a lot, that's me. But here's an example of what happens when you're sleeping. You go to bed at night and you say, geez, I just paid my bills and I feel good. And your credit score dropped in the middle of the night. Well, here's what happened. Let's say you have a credit card with a $5,000 credit limit, and that day your wife went to the department store and she bought something and you went higher than your limit. She bought something and now instead of $5,000 you owe $5,002. That's all, $5,002. Well, your credit score could drop 30, 40 points overnight because you went over your limit. You weren't aware of it. You weren't late on your payment, never were late, thought you were a good guy, but your credit score went down. So this program, it's an 8-hour at-home study course, and it's broken up into 30-minute modules. There are 16 DVDs that we've included in here. And you can play them at your leisure. You can play them 3 or 4 times. You can invite the kids in, the neighbors. I don't care. My mission is to help you to raise your credit score. Now, that program, okay, is included in our $2,500 cost of what we're presenting to you. So, in the next video, watch for this next video coming up. I'm going to give you an idea of how your bills, your credit cards, your student loans, and your mortgage, without raising your payments, same payments, you can pay off your house. And how would you like to own your house for 1/3 of what you owe? No lawyers, no courts, no litigation, nothing. The game is over. You can own your home for 1/3 of what you owe legally. Now watch for me in the next video, okay? Thanks, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.